Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to make this mixed grain pap. So I'll be using yellow corn. Yellow corn is a very good grain. It is a source of vitamin and it helps with weight gain management, also helps aid digestion. I'll also be using millet. This is a source of fiber and another source of protein. So I'll be using yellow corn, millet, and this guinea corn. Guinea corn is rich in protein, fats, carbs, and fiber. That makes it a good source of energy. So I'll be combining these three grains to make yummy pap. So I'll also be adding ginger to add some flavor to it. And I'll also add clove to it just for flavor. Please don't add too much clove if you are giving your baby this pap. So first I'm going to pour in the grains into a bucket. Mind you, this grain are well picked. I've picked out the dirt and the stones in it. So I'm going to pour it into a bucket and give it a good wash. I'm going to wash it for like 3 times to get rid of all the dirt. So I'm done washing and my grains are well cleaned. I'm satisfied with how it is. So I'm going to go ahead to soak it with hot water. You can decide to soak with cold water if you want. Just that when I was doing this pap, hot water was available. So I decided to soak it with hot water. And hot water makes it ferment faster. So I'm going to stir it around just to allow the water get into everywhere. So I'm going to cover this up and allow it to soak for 24 hours. So this was after 24 hours. Can you see the water has changed? The corn and the grains are getting fermented already. So I'm going to change the water and wash it. I don't want my pap to have a sour taste. That's why I'm changing the water and washing it. If you want your corn to have a sour taste, you can leave the water there till you go ahead to blend your grains. But for me, I don't want it to be sour. So I wash it and also soak it again because I'll be soaking it for 3 days before going to blend it. So for each day, I pour out the soaked water, I rinse the grains, then I pour in a clean water to soak. So that's what I'm going to do for the 3 days before blending. So after the 3rd day, I'm going to add in my flavor, ginger and clove. Then I go ahead to blend it at a local mill because I don't have a strong blender. If you have a strong commercial blender at home, it can do the work of blending your grains. But for me, I went ahead to a local mill to get it blended. So yeah, I'm done blending and this is what it looks like. Now the real work starts because I'm going to be sieving out the shafts from the real pap. So I'll be sieving it out with these chiffon cloths. I'll go ahead to set out water into 2 big bowls. I'll be using these 2 bowls to sieve out the pap from the shaft. So I'm going to pour in some quantity of pap into the chiffon cloth. Then I go ahead to squeeze out the juice, the milk from the shaft. Like, I just go ahead to squeeze it out like I'm doing in this video. Why I'm using 2 bowls is because while squeezing it out in the first water, I might not get enough pap milk out of the shaft, so I go ahead to rinse it out in the second bowl of water to get enough milk. I hope you understand my explanation, but I feel it's well explanatory through the video. So you can see how I'm doing it. You can see some milk was still remaining, so I could easily get it out through the second bowl of water. But now I'm done sieving out the real pap from the shaft, so I'm going to pour everything together and allow it to rest overnight. That's for like 8 hours. This is it. After 8 hours, the pap has settled down and we have just water on it. So I'm going to pour out the water from the pap and let you see the real pap. Right now the yummy raw pap is ready, so I'm going to transfer it into a bucket and add in water. I'm going to be preserving my pap with water. I don't want a dried pap, so I'm making it wet because this is just going to last for a week or 2. So I'm going to store it and be changing the water each day. What I do is I add in water, allow the water settle, and I change the water daily. So the pap is ready. So here I'm going to be preparing the pap to let you see the end results. So here's the final result of our pap. This pap tasted so good and flavored. If there's any question you would like to ask me concerning making of pap or any comment at all, just drop it in the comment section and I would reply you. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.